Okay, so here we're solving for the missing side of a right triangle. The two sides that we're given are called the legs because those are the two sides that make this right angle. So when we use the Pythagorean theorem, here we're going to have our a squared and b squared. That would be these two legs. 33 and 44 are going to be our a and our b. And then the hypotenuse is always opposite the right angle, and that's always what goes in for c. So when we are solving for the hypotenuse, in this case we're going to have 33 squared plus 44 squared is equal to that hypotenuse squared. All right, so then we're going to get out our handy dandy calculator, and we'll take 33 squared and 44 squared, and we'll add those together. So we have 3,025 is equal to c squared. So to be able to get the c by itself, remember this is c times c, what I'm going to do is take the square root of both sides. The square root of c squared, that's just c. That's what we're looking for, is side c. And then I'm going to take the square root of my answer, and we find that c is equal to 55 kilometers. So that would be our length of this missing side of our triangle, is 55 kilometers.